Hello everyone, welcome to Byrappa and Sons. Today I'll be showing you a very beautiful collection of for wedding purpose. They are all based on silk sarees and which are very affordable priced. So let's continue to take a look of the video. This is a very nice beautiful color shade saree. You can see how the design is made, and this is how the saree looks, which is extremely good and looks very beautiful. I'll show you, I'll open and show you the saree. You can see the saree comes with complete full butta and a very nice border. The pallu is very rich and you get a contrast blouse with a big border on the sleeves. The price of the saree is just for 3,700 rupees. This is a silver zari pattern. It's very modern design. On both the sides you get the same border. You can see how grand and how beautiful the saree looks. You get very small buttas on the saree, and the entire saree has very grand brocade design. You get very rich pallu and an excellent blouse piece. The saree comes with a copper zari, and look how beautiful and how grand the saree looks. You get a very nice decent butta on the body. The saree also comes with full buttas, and it's a really big design, and one side it comes with a small border, on the other it's a very rich grand border. And this is a pallu, a beautiful rich pallu, and a contrast blouse piece. You can contact me if you want to see more varieties in this. This is a very traditional border. Looks very nice, very elegant and superb saree. The color is a pastel shade, pastel green color. You can see the saree comes with a small buttas, very small buttas, and a really good border. This is a rich pallu, a beautiful rich pallu, and this is a border. All saree comes with a contrast design. Look at this new design, new butta, new color combination, which comes with orange and navy blue shades. And this is the saree. It's a dual shade, and see how grand the saree looks. These are all the latest, the very fresh design sarees, which comes with a dual leaf design, butta, and a decent size border. It's not too big also. It's the same size on the equal side. On both the side it comes with the same design, same size. And this is the grand rich pallu, a beautiful rich pallu, and comes with a grand dark colored combination of blouse. This is a peacock shaded color. This color is very rare to find in this kind of a budget. You get a really pure silk saree color combinations on just for 3,700 rupees. You can see the buttas of the saree, how beautifully it's made. Very small and very nice, very decent buttas, and the quality of the zari used is very good. And this is the rich pallu and contrast blouse piece. This is again a very nice, it's a pastel shade pink color. Looks very elegant. Comes with a big border. Look at the pallu, how rich it is. Very grand, very nice rich pallu. Beautifully made. And the entire saree comes with a buttas, complete saree, full buttas. And the material is very soft and very smooth. These sarees are just a replica of what you see in a very costly saree for like 15,000, 20,000. The cost of these sarees and all are only for 3,700. This is the rich pallu, blouse piece. This is a sky blue color with a navy blue color combination. You can see how good the saree is. It's a brocade design, but the color combination is very beautiful. And the material is very soft. The design is very grand. This is very beautiful pallu and an excellent blouse piece. This is a very new color. Comes with a red color body and a Rama color border. The color combination is very unique, so I just wanted to show the saree. It's a very new color. See, you can see the double shade of the saree, how it looks. A beautiful butta. It's a star butta. Very nice, very new it is. You can see the border design of one side is different as compared to what you see on the bottom side. The pallu is again very unique, comes with a tissue checks. It's a checks pattern. And the blouse is also a double shade. You can see how the shaded the color is. This is a very beautiful colored saree. You can see how beautiful the saree looks. The contrast color is very amazing. You can see the entire saree, how grand it looks. Comes with a very small checks butta, and the border is extremely nice. It's a dark color. This is navy blue. It's not black color. You can see how rich the pallu is. Very nicely made, and the finishing of the design has come very brilliant. And this is the blouse. The sarees what I've shown you, it's for wedding purpose, but a very simple sarees. These are all affordable and very less price. I'm not able to show you all the varieties what I have in this video because I have so much of varieties. So if you want to see more selection, you can always call me on the number displayed on the screen. And every time I'll be showing you new kind of varieties. So please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon. Thank you very much.